So hello there, and welcome the Trico City. Today we are going to provide you latest job opportunity details that are provided by Zomato, the trending food and delivery app. So let's get start. We'll tell you all information about the job role, who can apply, how to apply, and about income. Basically you have to do is work from home as their chat support person. Any undergraduate or graduate person, all can apply. You should be good in English and have to be accurate in grammar. Just submit your application. Link is in the description. It's an app where you have to share your application. After it they will contact you, and if you are selected then they will give you time for the interview. About salary, it's about 3 lakh to 2.5 lakh per year. For other information go to the description, downloadable interview app, go to course, go to the Zomato assessment. It's free course of 1 hour for preparation and for information of Zomato, then complete a short exam and that's it.